Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone. So again I am requesting all my students to stay home and safe and protect your family. Now what is the difference between aldehyde and ketone while we are discussing about the chemical reaction? In aldehyde and ketone, there is one common carbonyl group. So we can think that the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone will be the same, but it is not same. Why there is difference between aldehyde and ketone through chemical reaction we will discuss. So today's topic is the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketone. So what is the difference between aldehyde and ketone? Why aldehyde is more reactive than ketone? So we can see that in aldehyde and ketone there is common carbonyl group. So maybe chemical reaction same, but in aldehyde there must be one hydrogen present. If we are discussing about the formaldehyde, then there will be two hydrogen present and double bond with carbon and oxygen. If we are discussing about the except the formaldehyde, then we are having one hydrogen and one alkyl group or one aryl group. If we are discussing about the ketone, then there must be both the alkyl group or both the aryl group or one alkyl group and one aryl group. So now formaldehyde having both the hydrogen, and so hydrogen is more reactive than the alkyl group. So hydrogen will give easily reaction. So formaldehyde is more reactive than the except formaldehyde. We have discussed that the alkyl group is less reactive than the hydrogen. So in ketone there are two alkyl group present, or one alkyl group or one aryl group, or both the aryl group present. So it will be more difficult to have chemical reaction. So there will be difference. We can clearly see that formaldehyde is more reactive than except formaldehyde. Aldehyde is less reactive than the formaldehyde, and then ketone is the lessest reactive than the formaldehyde or than aldehyde. So it is due to hydrogen. Hydrogen is the more reactive than the alkyl and aryl. So we can clear over here that the aldehyde is the reactive than the ketone. So aldehyde will give more chemical reaction than ketone. So now we are going to discuss about the nucleophilic addition reaction. Second topic is nucleophilic addition reaction. Topic is nucleophilic addition reaction. So we can discuss over here that in aldehyde and ketone there are double bond between carbon and oxygen. So carbon is the partial polar, partial positive, and oxygen is the partial negative, because there is the electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen. So there is the polar bond between carbon and oxygen, and carbon is the less electronegative, so it will become less partial positive and while oxygen will become partial negative. So if there is double bond, it will definitely give addition reaction. We can discuss about the alkene. In alkene also there are double bond between carbon, but there is not any electronegativity difference. While in carbonyl group there is electronegativity difference. So nucleophile which is negative ion will be attracted towards carbon. So carbonyl group means aldehyde and ketone will give nucleophilic addition reaction. While in alkene we can see that there will be electrophilic addition reaction. So now it is clear why carbonyl group means aldehyde and ketones are giving a nucleophilic addition reaction, because there is the electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen. Carbon is partial positive, oxygen is partial negative, while nucleophile is the negative ion which will be attracted by positive ion carbon and bond will be broken. So it is addition reaction and nucleophile is attracted towards the carbon, so it is nucleophilic addition reaction. We will see the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. You just repeat and we will have one more topic after this topic. Please, thank you.